Hi, this is a little tutorial on how to enable original sound on a Zoom meeting using your iPad or iPhone, which we need for violin lessons or music lessons, all right? And this has to be done before you join the meeting, all right? So go to the left where you see three dots and the word more, click on that. It might pull up your profile, and you're going to go down till you see meetings, click on that. And what you want to make sure is clicked is this third one down, use original audio, okay? So you can see you just tap it and goes to the left, to the right. Turn off my video. I'm doing that just because I'm not dressed up. And let's see, there's one more, mute my microphone. I don't want it to mute my microphone, so I want that turned off. Let's see, anything else? You can do these yourselves, but these ones are good for you to do. All right, go back home, click join. I am hosting, so I'm going to click on my meeting. But I'm also going to click on don't connect to audio. No, that's not true. I do want to connect to audio. Turn off my video. Okay. Join.